Welcome to my channel. Today, we will be talking about why Equifax is considered one of the major credit bureaus. Equifax is one of the big three consumer credit reporting agencies in the United States, along with Experian and TransUnion. These three companies dominate the market for collecting and providing information about consumers' credit habits. They are considered major because they compile and sell data that is crucial for lenders and other businesses to make decisions. A credit bureau's main purpose is to collect and maintain a credit report for each consumer. This report contains personal information, a history of your credit accounts, your payment history, and any public records like bankruptcies. Lenders, such as banks and credit card companies, regularly send this information to the bureaus. Equifax, like the other major bureaus, plays a vital role in the financial ecosystem. When you apply for a loan, a new credit card, or even to rent an apartment, the company you are applying to will likely check your credit report from one or more of these bureaus. The information they receive helps them assess your creditworthiness, in other words, your reliability as a borrower. This, in turn, influences whether your application is approved and what interest rates you will be offered. Because of its long history and its extensive database of consumer credit information, Equifax is a key player in the credit reporting industry. Its data is used to calculate credit scores, which are a numerical representation of your credit risk. This is why Equifax, along with Experian and TransUnion, is an essential part of the modern financial system. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.